The force between two charges, so which are separated by 0.06 meter, is 5 Newton. If each charge is moved towards the other by 0.01 meter, then what will be the new force between them? So the initial separation is 0.06 meter and each charge is moved towards each other by 0.01 meter. So the new separation will become 0.04 meter and the initial force is 5 Newton. So here the initial force is 5 Newton. Say the initial force is F1 is equal to 5 Newton. So initially the separation between the two charges, say the two charges are Q1 and Q2, assume them to be like charges and the initial force is 5 Newton and the initial separation is 0.06 meter. Now, so this charge is moved towards the other charge. Even this charge is also moved towards the other charge by 0.01 meter each. So the new separation will become 0.04 meter only. 0.04 meter. So this new separation we have to, the new force we have to calculate for this new separation. So you all know this F is equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. So when K Q1 Q2 is same for the two conditions, then F is proportional to then F is proportional to then F is proportional to 1 by R square. So for two conditions we can write this formula like this. F1 divided by F2 equal to R2 divided by R1 whole square. F1 is given as 5 Newton. F2 we have to calculate. R2 is 0.04 meter and R1 initial separation was 0.06 meter, so whole square. So 5 divided by F2 equal to 16 divided by 36. So F2 will be equal to, so 36 into 5 divided by 16. So this is equal to 11.25 Newton. So which is the correct option? So 11.25 Newton. So option B is correct.